In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp with Squarespace. By the end, you'll have your checkout set to capture newsletter signups and send them straight into your Mailchimp audience so you can keep customers engaged after they buy. Start by signing in to your Squarespace site. From the main dashboard, open the settings menu. This is where you control most of your site-wide preferences, including your commerce tools. Inside settings, look for the selling section. It's the area dedicated to your store configuration, and it's where you'll manage how your checkout behaves. Next, open checkout. This panel controls everything your customers see and agree to during the payment process. Make sure the checkout page is enabled. If it isn't, toggle it on so that all of the checkout options, including email marketing features, are available. Within the checkout settings, find and open email signup settings. This is the control center for the newsletter opt-in that appears to shoppers as they complete their purchase. Here you'll see a list of compatible email tools. Locate Mailchimp among the available connections. If you don't immediately see it, scroll through the options. It's presented alongside other marketing providers. When you find Mailchimp, click Connect. Squarespace will guide you through a quick authorization so the two services can talk safely and securely. During that process, you'll be prompted to confirm which Mailchimp audience you want to send new subscribers to. Pick the audience you use for your store communications so your post-purchase messages and promotions stay organized. If your brand uses tags, groups, or segments in Mailchimp, you can apply those later inside Mailchimp to keep these checkout signups neatly categorized. Back in email signup settings, check that the opt-in language is clear and honest about what people will receive. Keeping it concise helps improve conversions while staying compliant with marketing consent requirements. If your business operates in regions with strict privacy rules, consider enabling double opt-in in Mailchimp and adding a short consent note so customers understand they're subscribing to marketing emails, not just transactional updates. Once connected, shoppers will see a checkbox at checkout to join your list, and anyone who opts in will appear automatically in your chosen Mailchimp audience. That's all there is to it. Sign into Squarespace, head to settings, open selling, go into checkout, enable it, open email signup settings, locate Mailchimp, and connect. With that done, your store is set to turn every purchase into a lasting relationship.